Hello students, how are you? Okay, sit down. So let's start the chapter number 6. And I have said chapter number 6. In this chapter, and what is the chapter name? Numbers from 10 to 20. Numbers from 10 to 20. In this chapter, we can numbers and numerals form of the 10 to 20, just like 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, up to 20 also. Okay, up to 20. And we can write in the numerals form and number figure form. Okay, and in this chapter, we can solve the addition and subtraction of the one digit number. Just like, look at the board. First topic is two-digit number, recognition of numbers from 10 to 20. If we can add, so if we can add 9 plus 1, so we get the number is 10, yes and no. And what is the spelling of 10? T-E-N, T-E-N, T-E-N. Okay. If we can add 10 plus 1, no. If we can add 10 plus 1, so we get the number is 11. Yes and no? Come here. 11? Yes. And what is the spelling of 11? E-L-E-V-E-N. E-L-E. Speak now. Speak all of you. 11. E-L-E. E-L-E-V-E-N. Is the 11. And the next number is 12. 10 plus 2 is 12. And what is the spelling of 12? What is the spelling of 12? T-W-E-L-V-E. T-W-E-L-V-E. Riddhi. T-W-E-L-V-E 12. Okay. And the next spelling? 13. How many sun plants? 13. And what is the spelling of 13? T-H-I-R. T-H-I-R. T-W-N 13. Okay. And the next spelling of 14. F-O-U-R. T-W-N. F-O-U-R. T-W-N 14. Okay. And the next spelling of 15. Next spelling. F-I-F-T-W-N. Speak all of you. Class first, speak all together. 15. Diksha. F-I-F. 15. And the next spelling. 16. What is the spelling of 16? S-I-X-T-W-N. S-I-X-T-W-N. Next spelling. 17. Next spelling. What is the spelling of 17? S-E-V-N. 7. T-W-N. 17. S-E-V-E-N. T-W-N. And the next spelling of 18. Speak now. Next spelling of 80. Speak now. E-I-T-H-T-W-E. 18. 18. Okay. Next spelling. What is the spelling of 90? N-I-N-E 9. T-W-N. N-I-N-E 9. T-W-N 10. 19. Next spelling. 20. Next spelling. T-W-E. T-N-T-Y. 20. Okay. And the next question in this chapter, numbers from 10 to 20. Write the numerals. आपको already write spelling. आपको उधर number set करने 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay. Yes, right now. Next number 11. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, and what is the spelling of 11? E-L-E. Yes, right now. E-L-E-V-E-N 11. E-L-E-V-E-N 11. Next number 12. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And what is the spelling of 12? T-W-E-L-V-E. 12. And the next spelling 13. 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. T-H-I-R T-W-N 13. Next number 40. 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4. And what is the spelling of 14? F-O-U-R T-W-N 14. Next number 15. 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5. What is the spelling of 15? F-I-F-T-W-N. What is the spelling of 15? F-I-F-T-W-N. 15. Next number 16. 1, 6, 1, 6, 1, 6. And what is the spelling of 16? S-I-X-T-W-N 16. S-I-X 16. Okay. Next number. First class. Look at the board, beta. 17. Number is 1, 7, 1, 7. And what is the spelling of 17? S-E-V-E-N T-W-N 17. Next number. Next number. Next number. And what is the spelling of 18? E-I-G-H-T-W-N. Next number 19. Next number. Next number. And what is the spelling of 19? N-I-N-E-T-W-N 19. And the last 20. Last number. Last number. Last number. And what is the spelling of 20? T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. Okay, class. Next question is numerals and number names. आपको जो numbers दे रखे हैं, आपको numerals को क्या लिखना है? Number name में लिखना है, and numbers को numeral forms में लिखना है. Okay. And this page numerals and number name. Yes, this one. Yes. Wait. What is the number of this in numerals? First number is 17. How can we write? Yamini. Number 17 किससे write करते हैं? 1, 7, 1, 7. खुशी 13. How can we write? 1, 3, 1, 3, 20. Wait. 20 किससे लिखोगे? क्या नंबर राइट करोगे? 20. 20, 20, Mayan 14, नंबर क्या राइट करूँ यहाँ पे 1, 14, 14, next number 16, next number 16, 16, next number 11, 11 किससे राइट करते हैं 11, 11, 11, next number 18, right now 18, okay, next number 12, next number 1 to 12, 1 to 1 to next number 8, next is 15, next is 15, wait, 15, okay, next 6 and the last 19, right now, okay, the next question, write in numeral form, write in the number name, okay, write in number name. What is the next number? Which? 12. What is the spelling of 12? Twelve. Right now. Twelve. Write the spelling of 12 class first. Twelve. Okay, sit. Next number. Write the spelling of 14. FOURTWN. 14. Write down. Write fastly, Devansh. FOURTWN. 14. Next number क्या है 6. SIX. Next number 11. Next number and write the spelling of 11. ELEVEN. 11. Right now. Next number 20. Write the spelling of 20. TWENTY. 20. Right now. Next number 13. Next number and write the spelling of 13. THIR. TWN. 13. Next number 19. Next number and what is the spelling of 19? NINETWN. 19. Okay. Next number. EIGST. 8. Next number. What is the spelling of 16? SIX. TWN. 16. Okay. Write fastly. Next. 17. Write the spelling of 17. SEVENTWN. 17. Next number 15. Next number. Write the spelling of 15. FIRTWN. Anaya. Don't make a noise. FIRTWN. 15. Next is 18. EIGSTWN. 18. Write fastly. The next page. Yes, class, turn the page. Next is addition of bigger one-digit number. Okay. Add by drawing lines and counting them. Look at here. Just like 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6. तो हमें क्या करनी है लाइन्स ड्रॉ करनी है बट हम किससे करेंगे माइनिंग वाले क्वेश्चन से करेंगे 4 in नेक्स्ट नंबर 6 काउंट द फिंगर्स 1 2 3 4 5, 6. 4 कहाँ था? In mind. Okay. Count after 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That the answer is 10. Okay. Have already given. And the next is now add by counting the line. 6 plus 7. 16. Next number. Count the 7 fingers. माइंड में क्या था? 6 के बाद काउंट करो. That the answer is 13 right now. Next is 4 in mind. Next plus 8. 8 in. And next count 8 fingers. 1. Which number in mind? 4. Count after 4. 10, 11, 12. That answer is 12. Next 3 in mind. Next number 8. Count the 8 fingers. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 in. And after count 3, 4. That the answer is 11. Okay. Right now.